Hey, welcome back to my station. Expat Rebel Chris here. And we are gardening today. One of the things we did is we took some of these plants on the beach in front of our place and come back to our gardening area and rooted because we wanted to transplant them to this other side of the beach in front of our place that doesn't really have it. So let me show you what we did. So faithfully rooted in that. As you can see, lots and lots of roots. Plants or plants on the beach is that it roots incredibly fast and to pond. And we're just digging it into the sand and planting them. We're going to experiment with it. Of course, the really hardy plant, but they would survive on it. So I guess looking great. So just some of the fun stuff we do when we're gardening. And hey, let's go back to the gardening center and I'll show you some of what we're doing over there. Okay, we're back at our gardening center, back part of the house, away from the beach. And I'm going to show you about what we got. So we have a sink with running water, which is great. We have dirt underneath some pots and stuff like that around here. So these are our tomato plants. They're doing pretty well. These are actually from a tomato that we bought in a grocery store and took the seeds out and planted them. So it's doing really great. And we got some more. I think these are bell peppers coming up. This actually fell off one of our plants that we bought. And so we're rooting it to plant it somewhere else. And it's doing really well. Now, these plants we just dug up off the beach. These are weeds that the seeds are really prickly and hurt. Actually, they're really hard. And some people call them goat heads. Whenever we see it, we pull them up. We throw them out. We don't like them. And so that's overall we got water, hose, we have a trash bag for when we need that. And of course, plenty of soil. And then we got some pots. So every time we go in, we usually buy some more pots ready to go for doing all our gardening. Now, one of the things is that every morning we use mint in a smoothie drink that we make. And buying mint didn't last really a week. We only go to the grocery store once a week. So I decided to plant some. And this is one plant that we bought at, believe it or not, Home Depot in Merida, Yucatán, Mexico. And we split it up, added some dirt. There it is here as well. This one was as well, but we cut it back a lot and it's really come back. Of course, we stuck it in a nice, cute Mexican pot. And we got two more that we bought over here, which we're going to put in each of their own little windowsill type long containers as well. These are our bougainvilleas that we're currently trying out in this location to see if we can like this. We got a couple of different colors. And it was doing well here, actually. So we're thinking about making this little area a permanent place for those. And that's it. We got some flowers as well. Also. So that's what we're doing in the gardening. If you're interested more, like when I got a place here in Mexico, I wasn't really into gardening. And now that I'm here as a resident, I'm getting into it and it's actually being a lot of fun to grow plants. So here in the tropics, actually in some regards, easier, but definitely different. So, hey, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you're interested in a weekly newsletter, go over to expatrebel.com and subscribe to that. Got any questions about gardening in the tropics? Leave a comment. See you guys next time. Bye.